Okay, fourth graders, we are in our language arts course. We are in the reading folder, and this is your overview for the week. We're going into week 6. And when we open up Monday, we can see that just like normal, the directions are here. On Monday, you are going to attend a live lesson at 9 o'clock. Your teacher is going to work on a graphic organizer for this text right here, Animal Senses. This is a copy of the entire book right here. You are also going to watch the Vocabulary Day 1 video. However, take a look. See this highlighted information? Today, Monday, your teacher is going to go through and complete Day 1 with you. However, you will have to print that graphic organizer, and you will complete box 2 and 3. So together in our live lesson, we are completing one portion, but then you have to go back and complete boxes 2 and 3. You are doing that before you watch this vocabulary video. On Tuesday, a very similar structure throughout the week. You are going to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock. Then you will complete the graphic organizer Day 2, again, just sections 2 and 3. We will complete box number 1 together. Then you are going to watch the Vocabulary Day 2 video. When we go on to Wednesday, very similar again, attend live lesson at 9 o'clock. We are going to complete box number 1, and just like Monday and Tuesday, you will complete boxes 2 and 3. You also have a vocab video to watch today. That was the bell. On Thursday, when we take a look in this folder, you are going to attend the live lesson at 9 o'clock. Then you are going to use this text, Animal Senses, to complete the graphic organizer. Your graphic organizer, if you've attended the live lesson every day, should be completed at this point, and you will use that completed graphic organizer to complete this performance task discussion board. You need to, right here as indicated, read the directions carefully to earn full credit on this discussion board post. You then have a Vocabulary Day 4 video that you are going to watch. After you watch this video, you are going to complete one of the following activities. You can do the color words or a Frere model, but you are going to have Thursday and Friday to complete this activity. You will, again, please listen carefully. You will complete the activity for all 6 words. So you are either doing color words for each of your 6 words, or you are doing 6 Frere models. That is up to you. Then we go on to Friday, the last day of this week. We open the folder and you will see there is not a live lesson this morning. You will not be meeting with your teacher. You will, however, complete a reading assessment. It is right here. You will click, just like before, the text will appear. Please take your time, read the questions very carefully. If you choose to print a copy of the text, you can, but it is there available for you, and you can scroll and toggle back and forth between the text and the questions. If you have any questions about reading this week, please let your teacher know. Thank you.